Question number 5, exercise 4.3 pertaining to quadratic equations. This is in a class test. Sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30, and she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. The product of the marks would have the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. So this is again in a class test. Sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30, and had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. So here let us assume C obtained X marks in mathematics or we can write it marks of Shefali in mathematics X, let it be in English Y. No, sum of marks in mathematics and English is given as 30. So it means X plus Y is equal to 30. Let it be equation 1. Now it says that if she could have got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, then the product of their marks could have been 210. Now question says that if she would have got 2 marks less in mathematics now the question says if she could have got 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, then the product of their marks could have been 210. It means if she could have got if she would have got 2 more marks in mathematics then her marks would have been x plus 2, and if she would have got 3 marks less in English, then her marks would have been y minus 3. Earlier she got y, no it is she got 3 less, so this is y minus 3, and it is given in the question the product of these marks, that is x plus 2 and y minus 3. X plus 3 into y minus 3 is equal to 210. So let it be equation number 2. Now from equation number 1, x plus y is 30. So we will take the value of y from there and we will put in the equation 2. So from equation 1, y is equal to 30 minus x. Now we will put the value of y in the equation number 2. So this becomes x plus 2 into y is 30 minus x. So we will put the value of y as 30 minus x. So this is y minus 3. So y we have put 30 minus x. So minus 3 is equal to 210. Now we will open this bracket, or further we will simplify it, or x plus 2 is equal to, this is minus x plus 27, 30 minus 3, so 27 is equal to 210. So now we will multiply inside, we will open these two brackets, and this becomes, because our aim is to convert it into standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we are going towards that. So this becomes, if we multiply by x first, then we will multiply by 2. So x into minus x, that becomes minus x square, x into 27, that is 27x. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 into minus x, that is minus 2x. 2 into plus 27, that is 54. And 210 also will bring on the left hand side, minus 210 is equal to 0. Or minus x square plus 27 minus 2x, that is plus 25x. We'll say 25x minus, because minus 210 plus 56, that is minus 156 is equal to 0. So minus we will remove. So if we take minus 1 common, inside this thing we will be getting x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So minus 1 cannot be equal to 0. So equation x square minus 25x plus 156x is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic, this is equation, quadratic equation in the form of standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we can solve this equation to find out the value of x either by the method of completing square or by method of factoring or by using the formula. So I am taking it a formula wise. Or so now this is x square minus 25x plus 156 is 0. So this is nothing but this is a in the format of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is a standard quadratic equation. Now we can solve it by factoring method or by the standard formula method. So I am going to take the factoring method. So we have to split 25x in such a manner that its sum is minus 25x and product is 156x square. So we will take a LCM of 156. So this is 78. Again 2 will go on 39. Then 3 and 13. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Now we have to make factors so that sum should be minus 25. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12, and 12 and 13 if we take it, then it becomes minus 25, yes. If we take other one, then it will not come. Only so we have to try once or twice, or maybe more than twice also. Sometimes if numbers are more in LCM, or this is equivalent to, we can write 25x as minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0, or you can write it here, x square, we will take a common x. So we'll inside the bracket first two terms will take, then the second two terms will take separately. So this becomes x within the bracket x minus 13. Now minus 12 will take common. Inside the bracket we will get x, that is 12x. Inside is 156. So 12 into 13 is 156. So this becomes minus 13 is equal to 0, because the x minus 13 x minus 13 here should be common. So that's why we have taken minus. Otherwise if you take plus, then it will not match and we cannot solve the problem, so that we have to take care. So if we take common x minus 13, inside the bracket we will be getting x minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is either x minus 13 is 0, so then it will give x is equal to 13, or x plus 12 is equal to 0, x will be minus 12. So then the roots of x are 13 and minus 12. Oh, sorry. Then it means x is, what is x? So though the roots are 13 and minus 12, but because the marks are not in negative terms, so x is equal to 13, which is nothing but the marks Shefali obtained in mathematics. And we know x plus y from equation 1. Put the value of x in equation 1. So from equation 1 we will get, from equation 1 we get x plus y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 30 minus x, it is 30 minus 13 is equal to 17. So it means she got marks in mathematics, that is x is 13, and in English, that is y 17. So this we have to find out how many marks she got it. So this is over now. So this you can try with other methods also for practice purposes and for your confidence building exercise. So this question is over.